Alright, you absolute legends. Ramsay's back in the kitchen. And today, we're unleashing a Korean masterpiece that will electrify your palate. Dakgalbi. Forget your bland, boring dinners. Because this spicy, savory, and unbelievably tender stir-fried chicken is going to make your taste buds do a proper jig. It's an explosion of flavor that's deceptively simple to achieve. And trust me, by the end of this, you'll be wondering why you ever ate anything else. Let's get stuck in, shall we? Now, for the absolute stars of our Dakgalbi show. Pay attention. We've got 500 grams of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Cut into perfect bite-sized pieces. Don't be a donkey and leave them too big. We need 1 medium onion, roughly chopped, half a green cabbage, robustly sliced, 2 spring onions, elegantly sliced, and a couple of glorious sweet potatoes, peeled and diced. And for the sauce, the soul of this dish, gochujang, gochugaru, soy sauce, garlic, ginger, sugar, and a touch of mirin. Freshness is key, otherwise, you're just wasting your time. You muppet. Right. Prep work, the foundation of any great dish. Take your beautiful chicken thighs and make sure they're cut into roughly 1.5-inch pieces, uniform. Size means even cooking. Simple as that. Your onion needs a rustic chop. Not too fine. It's going to caramelize beautifully. The cabbage? Give it a good, hearty slice. About 1 inch thick, because it needs to stand up to the heat and add that wonderful texture. And those sweet potatoes? Cubed, about 1/2 inch, so they cook through and absorb all that incredible sauce. Precision here, people. No sloppy work. Alright, heat up your largest pan or wok over a screaming medium-high heat. We want things sizzling, not steaming. Add a tablespoon of neutral cooking oil, like a nice vegetable or canola oil. Now, carefully introduce your diced sweet potatoes first. They need a head start, about 3 to 4 minutes, to soften slightly before everything else joins the party. Keep them moving. Don't let them burn. We're aiming for a beautiful, golden kissed edge, giving them a head start so they aren't raw at the end. You understand? Once those sweet potatoes are showing a hint of color, it's time to introduce the magnificent chicken. Spread it out in a single layer and let it sear for about 2 to 3 minutes, getting a beautiful golden crust before you even think about stirring. Then, throw in your chopped onions and watch them soften, releasing their sweet aroma into the pan. This is where the magic starts to happen. The smell's building up, creating that tantalizing base. Keep stirring, incorporating everything, ensuring an even cook. You don't want burnt bits, do you? Now, for the heart and soul of our Dakgalbi, the incredible spicy sauce. In a bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of rich gochujang, 1 tablespoon of fiery gochugaru, 2 tablespoons of good quality soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and 1 tablespoon of mirin. Whisk it all together until it's a vibrant, smooth paste. Drizzle this glorious concoction over the chicken and vegetables, stirring vigorously to coat every single piece. This isn't just sauce. It's liquid gold, infusing every bite with that authentic Korean kick. Taste it. Adjust the sugar or